Who else's controller also looks like this? Super stick drift. About to fix this thing. I don't think I've ever had so much fun taking apart something until today. Taking apart this Scuf controller because it's got super stick drift. I'll get back to you guys to see how it turns out. Here is the main reason why these fail. Look how dirty this is. This is why it causes stick drift. And this is the main reason. Just replacing those two will fix it. And I only was going to replace two, the ones that had the stick drift, but I'm already here, so I'm going to also replace these two for him, so that way he doesn't have any more issues.